Good morning, students. Welcome to online social studies class. This is Aarti, your teacher. Day before yesterday, I had started chapter 11, celebration time. In this chapter, I had explained about religious festivals and about the harvest festival. Today I am going to explain the national festival. India is the land of festivals. There are many festivals celebrated in our country. Among them, national festivals have their own importance. It is one of the festival which is celebrated everywhere within the nation. Simply we can say that it is held throughout the country. Festivals such as Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti are known as national festivals. Let's learn more about these festivals. We celebrate the national festivals with great joy and pride. Number 1, Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. India became free from the British rule on this day in 1947. On 15th August 1947, India got freedom from the British rule. The Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi on this day every year. On this day every year, our Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. Next is Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. The President unfurls the national flag and takes the salute of a colorful parade at Rajpath in Delhi. A great parade are organized at Rajpath and the President takes the salute of this colorful parade. The President hosts the national flag on this day. Next is Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was a great Indian. He loved his country and its people. He taught us truth and non-violence and to be kind to each other. We fondly call him Bapu, or the father of the nation. We celebrate his birthday on 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti every year. These are the national festivals. Next topic is fair. Fairs are also held as a part of the festival celebration. There are shops, giants, wheels, circus shows, puppet shows, different rides and many stalls of eatables. Fairs bring us joy and happiness. Dances of India. Like festivals, different regions of India have their own special type of dances. There are two main types of dances in India: classical dance and folk dance. Kathak from North India, Odissi and Manipuri from the east, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam and Bharatanatyam from the south are the classical dances. Kathak is the classical dance of North India. Odissi and Manipuri is the classical dance of East. Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam and Bharatanatyam is the classical dance of South. These dances are generally performed on a stage. Folk dances are very different from classical dances. These are performed by common people to celebrate joy and happiness. The most famous folk dances are the Bhangra and Gidda from Punjab, Garba and Dandiya from Gujarat, Ghumar from Rajasthan, Lavani from Maharashtra and Chhau from Odisha. Bhangra and Gidda are the folk dance of Punjab. Garba and Dandiya are the folk dances of Gujarat. Ghumar is the folk dance of Rajasthan. Lavani is the folk dance of Maharashtra and Chhau is the folk dance of Odisha.